Not quite, not quite.
Jennifer.
Hello, Chef.
Hi. Hi.
So how does it feel to have Beccy here right now with you?
Awesome.
What are you making?
I am making a take on a beef stroganoff with beef tenderloin and fondant potatoes. And I'm making a mushroom ketchup right here.
So was this a teenage favorite for you?
Oh, well, it's one of the things that my mom was really amazing at making.
Is there any advice that you want to ask Beccy?
Oh, man. How did you do it?
Just think about everything you do. Don't just wing it. Forget about everyone else. If you like it, then just think about that.
Right.
In this challenge, Jennifer, cook from the heart. That's really important.
Yes.
All right, good luck.
Thank you, Chef.
Good luck.
Thank you, Beccy.
Hey, Josh. Chef, how are you?
You know Beccy, Josh.
I do. I saw her last year. Congratulations.
Thank you. You're working really clean, which is good, because when your station's in a mess, it's like your mind's in a mess.
That's very true. Thank you.
Tell us what you're doing.
I'm gonna do my take on my Bubba's chocolate cake. We used to eat that stuff all the time growing up. I'm gonna put some ancho chili peppers in there just to give it a little bite. And I'm also gonna make some sponge toffee and a Saskatoon berry gel.
This is the first time you have ever made something sweet in the MasterChef Canada kitchen. And it's for your grandmother, right?
Yeah, it definitely is.
I hope you do justice for her.
Gonna definitely make her proud.
Good luck.
Thank you, guys.
Good luck.
Thanks, Beccy. I'm taking a huge risk making this cake. I don't bake a whole lot, but I need to show the judges that I can do everything.
20 minutes! You only have 20 minutes left.
Yikes. An hour just flies by way too fast. Oh, no. Crap. Now I have to restart my vegetables.
I do not have time for this.
They're all falling behind right now.
Are you okay?
Yeah. I'm warm sweat.
I am moving lightning fast with 20 minutes left, and my wheels take almost exactly 20 minutes.
Still too much. Wow, this batter's thick.
This has to get done for the dish to even have a chance.
Gotta crank it up.
Slow down. Slow it down. There we go. I got a million things going on in my head, and then I realized I forgot my gel in the blast chiller. I gotta go get my stuff. Oh, no. It's frozen solid. Now I gotta go to plan B. I add a liquid to it, and I turn it into a coulis instead. I really hope this works out for me. Okay, that's good.
5 minutes! You have 5 minutes left! A blast from the past. We want it in 5 minutes. There is less than 5 minutes to go, and Roshin's trio is still in the oven.
I just need to shape them, and hopefully it works out, but it's gonna be a last-second thing, I think.
Kind of a little fluster, just coming down to the wire, trying to make sure everything's good to go.
2 minutes! 2 more minutes left. Get your plating done.
Ooh, no idea what I'm doing for plating.
I want to get this advantage so bad.
I'm gonna crush it.
1 minute! You have 1 minute left.
Oh, my God.
We're gonna do this on you. Come on.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up!
Incredible. Once again.
Well done, everybody. Beccy, it's been a true pleasure having you here with us. Any final words of teenage wisdom?
Not really.
I love Beccy.
She's kind of badass and just does her thing.
Goodbye and good luck, everybody.
Thank you.
Beccy was super inspiring to me. You know, having her here was an amazing experience.
The judges take one final look before selecting the most promising dishes for tasting.
I am super proud of my dish today. I think my Auntie Joan would love it.
I really want them to taste this dish. I know they'll be incredibly impressed with my progress.
I came into this competition saying I wasn't a baker, and I just made a chocolate cake. It shows that I can push myself outside my boundaries.
The first home cook we'd like to call up, put a modern twist on a beloved classic. Jennifer.
This is happening, and it feels awesome. I'm not walking up to the judges so much as just floating up on cloud nine. I'm really excited for them to try this dish. This is a modern beef stroganoff with beef tenderloin, creme fraiche, and mushroom ketchup.
I think the plating is genius, sheer genius. It is so eye-catching. It lays out clearly the ingredients on the plate. And you call this a mushroom ketchup?
Yes, yeah.
And what is in that mushroom ketchup?
I took some dehydrated morels as well as black fungus. I rehydrated them with beef stock as well as a bit of beer and soy sauce.
That is big, big mushroom flavor. You know, I think you have honored the stroganoff idea in a modern way, in a unpredictable way. You have a great culinary mind.
Thank you so much, Chef.
It tastes as good as it looks. It's really amazing. Great depth of flavor. The only misstep, though, the beef is a little bit undercooked, you can see.
Right.
It should have rested a little bit longer, or maybe seared a little bit longer.
Okay.
But other than that, it's really amazing what you did with an hour.
Thank you, Chef.
Delicious.
It's so incredibly exciting and moving when people really like pick up what you're putting down. And I feel really proud of what I've put on the plate.
The second home cook took their plating to new heights. And that home cook is Roshin.
Job, buddy. I am so excited. Hearing my name, I am absolutely stunned. I made a deconstructed lox and bagel with salmon tartare and 2 kinds of whipped cream cheese, 1 tomato and 1 scallion, and a bagel tuile.
I definitely get lox, cream cheese, and bagel. It's recognizable, but it's elevated. And this is what elevation is. See how it tastes. I like it. You cut the salmon very uniform. It gives it structure, and that is very wise. I think we're just starting to see you shine.
Thank you, Chef.
Great cracker, lovely creaminess to that cheese. Definitely get the tomato, the onion, the dill, the capers. I think the salmon could have done just with a touch more seasoning and just a little bit more acidity. Today, you took a quantum leap forward.
Thank you, Chef.
Nicely done.
Thank you. Walking away from the podium feels incredibly good because I feel like I'm finally finding my stride.
The final home cook we want to call up tempted us with a sweet memory. And that home cook is Josh. Please bring up your dish.
I am super excited. You know, this dish means so much to me. It's my whole family on a plate. So I'm hoping that I've made my Bubba proud. What I've made for you today is a Mexican chocolate cake with sponge toffee and a Saskatoon berry raspberry coulis.
I really love the plating. It looks like this cake just fell onto the plate. Well, let's taste it. It's like a symphony of flavors happening in my mouth right now. The salt, the richness of the chocolate, the crunch of the toffee, that little bit of the heat that comes in the back and just smashes you in the face. My advice to you is put perhaps a beautiful little quenelle of lime sorbet. That would just finish the whole thing. I just love it. It's a delicious, very sophisticated chocolate cake done in 1 hour. Incredible.
I'm impressed. I get that richness coming from that moist chocolate cake. I get the icing, that chili, that sourness. Everything is in here. This is complex. And I want to say welcome to the competition.
Thank you, Chef. Woo. To hear these judges love the cake, it's everything that I've ever wanted.
Only one dish can win this challenge, and we want you to know this was a very close call. In the end, one home cook tipped the scales with a dish that was unapologetically irresistible. And that home cook is Josh. Yay! Congratulations.
Good job, buddy.
It's an amazing feeling. I just won a challenge off of baking, so that's huge for me.